Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the hardware ready. Plug the HDMI cable into your PC and projector while both are powered on. Once done, set the projector input to the matching HDMI source so Windows can detect it. Make sure you use an active adapter if your laptop has USB-C or DisplayPort. Passive adapters often fail. This initial alignment prevents detection delays and reduces configuration steps later, so don't skip verifying ports and powering devices in the proper order. Now you focus on Windows 10 display configuration. Open Settings, go to System then Display, and click Detect if the projector doesn't appear immediately. Choose Duplicate to mirror or Extend to treat it as a second monitor, and set the resolution to the projector's native value to avoid distortion. Once selected, use Identify to verify which screen is which and adjust scaling for readable text. Make these changes so content displays crisply and the projector receives the correct signal format. Finish by using Windows key plus P to toggle projection modes quickly and pick what fits your presentation. Make sure sound routes to the projector if needed by selecting it as the playback device in sound settings. If you see no signal, swap cables or ports and restart the PC and projector. That often resolves handshake failures. As a key troubleshooting tip, update your graphics drivers and, if available, the projector firmware. This fixes compatibility problems and improves resolution and color accuracy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.